Hi, welcome to Best Tech Reviews, where we update you on what's good to get and what to avoid. Today, we're looking at a good buy in the wireless buds market. I've been using the Anker SoundCore A40 for the last couple of weeks, mostly in the gym, on the train, and occasionally while avoiding housework. And honestly, I'm impressed. The sound quality is way better than I expected at this price. Punchy bass, clean vocals, and they don't sound tinny or cheap, whether I'm mid-workout or zoning out on the sofa. The active noise cancellation, surprisingly good. It won't block out a jet engine, but it absolutely softens gym noise and loud commuters. Battery life is great. I get around 10 hours on one charge, and with the case, I barely think about charging. Fit-wise, they're light and comfortable. I wore them through cardio and weights, no slipping, no pressure, and no awkward adjustments. But yeah, not perfect. There's no in-ear detection, so they keep playing even if you take one out to talk. The touch controls are a bit twitchy. One accidental tap and I'm skipping songs mid-set. And, if your ears are picky, you might need to play with the included tips. Still, for under £60, they're one of the best ANC earbuds I've used. If you want something that handles your commute, your gym session, and maybe a little procrastination, the A40 is absolutely worth a look. The Amazon link's in the description if you want to check the latest price. Enjoy the peace and quiet, or the bass, depending on your vibe.